Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Tesla Model 3 at home. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake before plugging in. Use a dedicated 240V outlet or wall connector for faster charging and avoid extension cords. Set charging limit to 80% for daily use and schedule charging overnight for lower electricity rates. Monitor the Tesla app for charging status and unplug once charging completes. Selecting the right charger makes charging faster and safer. A NEMA 14-50 outlet gives about 30 miles of range per hour for Model 3, while wall connectors deliver higher amperage. Hire a licensed electrician to install a dedicated circuit and set up a smart breaker. Consider energy rates and schedule charging during off-peak hours to save money. Keep the charging equipment dry and inspect cables regularly for wear. Also register your charger with the Tesla app. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting charging timers, voice-controlling lights, and playing status alerts while you charge. It's compact, affordable, and easy to set up. Check the description for the link and other deals. Please consider it. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Safety matters when charging at home, so avoid DIY electrical work unless qualified. Test residual current devices and use GFCI where recommended. Track charging costs by noting kWh used and multiply by your local rate to estimate expenses. Expect lower costs than public fast chargers, especially when charging overnight. Keep the charging area clear of flammable materials and ensure proper ventilation if charging in an enclosed garage. Also check insurance implications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.